Our relationship is very easy. It's simple, we're straightforward. We have a very good, close-knit relationship even with our kids. Mike is the type of person who is so easy to love, which makes our relationship really strong. When I first met Mike, he was really good looking. He's a very quiet man. He's not much of a person with a lot of words, but he's a very kind, loving-hearted. He's very traditional. He is very family-oriented, which is the same as myself. He has a lot to give, and he's just very pure-hearted. He's got all the things that I want in a person. We've been together for 6 years.
Winga siya paangan mamaftanga siya maftanga sa Diba iya sa tanga tayo pinaunaro famon. Pinanga tekeinan makuahin nga ni siya mafana. No temi mo sa ubay sa ulo ulo to filia mali tu. Pasino nga ri tu ri lang tanga tayo ri. Ai pita mo fasino mali tu ma fasino mo sa tanga tayo sa ulo fish feeding mo fish feeding yo. Ve mo to rua. Au fasang ma apa yang ngelas tona ini. Jadi papita uti sa ferngai tono ai apa. Ona wala sa ma faya pena na ma sao mai papita o talo na pong. Tua toma lo toile tua ina ia foswani mai mata penanga o pasang ma apa yang ngelas so sufa.
We have always had God in the center of our relationship, and as we continue to have God in the center, I believe that for the future, our faith will be stronger with our children and with each other, and I just put all our faith in God to show us what our plans will be. So.
Mai foi upor pesa son mare upor tu sis pa iare tu sina Solomon fai ma ufi mata Be oi mo mata ya te. Pena mo ngolo ya te mini. Atalo le tu ina yo atasi mai. Mo kala me di am tanga se yo i fai ni. Patai.
Read between these lines. be my stone. In a world uncertain, say you'll be my stone.
Do you love the rain? Does it make you dance when you're drunk with your friends at a party? What's your favorite song? Does it make you smile? Do you think of me? When you close your eyes, tell me, what are you dreaming? Everything I wanna know it all. I'd spend 10,000 hours and 10,000 more. Oh, if that's what it takes to learn that sweetheart of yours. And I might never get there, but I'm gonna try. If it's 10,000 hours or the rest of my life, I'm gonna love you. Do you miss the road that you grew up on? Did you get your middle name from your grandma?
Alo so lapo e langa usa e lofo fo I maku ia ole me ka ua ke ole kosi makua ia lo usole fena kama o fa makala na sisi ua usole kasi pa wa me o ku fomo lo ia ngai ska na lofo fa amao e lo mo wala lo ko usa.
I'm gonna keep this short. God, we are, for one reason, thank you Lisi and Mike for bringing us all together today. To know this lovely couple is to love them. They love 100. Mike